Hello everyone, I want to welcome our Indian viewer with a short introduction in Hindi since I'm learning it. मैं मत्तेओ हूँ और मैं इटालियन हूँ और आज हम बनाएंगे tiramisu. Let's make our tiramisu. चलो, let's see the ingredients that we need for our tiramisu.
Cheese mascarpone 500 grams, heavy cream 200 milliliters, 1 cup of coffee, 100 grams of sugar, cocoa powder, chocolate powder, 4 eggs, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, and 400 grams of Savoiardi biscuit.
For our tiramisu, we separate the eggs and we keep the white and the yolks in these two bowls. Done. Then we split our 100 grams of sugar in 2 halves each, and we add one of them to our eggs yolk. And we start whipping it. Once we are done mixing them, we put the container on a pan with a hot water, and we keep whisking it. When it is thick enough, we remove it from the pot and we keep whisking it while it's cooling down.
When it cools down, we start adding mascarpone a little at a time and we whisk it.
Once we have added all the mascarpone, the mixture should look something like this. And now we add vanilla essence. Now we will mix our heavy cream with the other half of sugar, and we will whisk it. At the end, you have something like this. Now we take half of the heavy cream that we just made and we mix it with our mascarpone mixture. The other half will go for the final covering of our tiramisu. Now we get back to our white of the eggs and we whisk it. We add a pinch of salt to stabilize the whisking procedure. And then we start. The end result should look like this. Very compact. Now we mix everything together to obtain our final tiramisu cream. We mix the egg white on the tiramisu cream in this way, with this folding procedure. Perfect, now we are ready. We get our pan and we fill it with our tiramisu ingredients. Now we put some coffee on our biscuits. Now we put a layer of mascarpone cream. Now we repeat the same step for the next layer. Now we put the second half of the heavy cream on top. Now we add the cocoa on top and as promised, no alcohol. Perfect, great. Now our tiramisu is ready and I would recommend to keep it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. And this is the end result after 12 hours. Great! Our tiramisu is ready. Let's now dive into it. Perfetto! If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please share with your friends. Thank you! Make sure to download the entire recipe in the description. And watch the next and last 60 seconds for a quick recap of the main moments of this recipe. See you!